Oh my gosh, Chloe.
I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, throwing alley loop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the ooze? Still running around with more, get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even keep it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed with Billy Island, turning in a given time. Personal partners, pillow talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even keep it too used to be, this shit slick divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick divide. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She know all the things, and she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I coach her. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, only time I get some Z's. Full court press, put on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this check, it ain't nowhere near easy. Had to find it, hope I'm not too much to handle. City nigga from Atlanta, I spend my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit, could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever, have to say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money, this ain't no fucking Play-Doh.